How to check your balance on BYDFi app. To check your wallet balance in BYDFi app, open the app and tap on Assets, which is located at the bottom of your screen. Just simply tap on it. Once you click on it, you'll see a list of all the cryptocurrencies you hold, along with your current value and total wallet balance in the USDT or your selected base currency. You can also tap on individual coin like USDT, Bitcoin, or Ethereum to see detailed info such as available balance, frozen amount, and transaction history. For a quick overview, your total wallet value is displayed right at the bottom of the screen wallet. And if it's hidden, just tap on the eye icon to reveal it. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out other videos in this channel for the full guidance. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna check balance on BYD FI application. Bye bye.